Hello guys, welcome again to my channel. Today we are going to unbox DDR3 GSkill RAM. Let's open the packaging of this RAM. The packaging is available with the RAM with no user manual and with two GSkill stickers. As all of us are knowing, these GSkill RAMs are well known for its performance, and I have shared the link in the description section where you can get these GSkill DDR3 RAM. Thanks for watching and please subscribe my channel. Thank you.